Hey guys, we have here the Beats EP wired headphones, and in this video we want to show you how to replace the ear pads on these earphones. So this is relatively easy. The only tool that we need is just a simple screwdriver, for example here from my pocket knife. And we're going to slide this in between the original ear pad and then the ear cup. And so the ear pad is glued on, so we're going to pry with our screwdriver in here, and we're going to go all the way around and carefully going to remove or detach the glue. So you want to be really careful in doing this, and eventually we'll be able just to tear off the ear pad. And you see here all that glue on the ear pad itself, but there's also still some left over on the ear cup. And before we continue, we want to make sure we scrape off all of the old glue from the ear cup here. So for example, I'm again using here my pocket knife. And once we have done that, we want to take a close look at the ear cup here, and we find these two pins here on the inside of the ear cup, and we're going to find two holes, so two corresponding holes on our new ear pads, and we want to align those ear pads, or the pins on the ear pads, with those holes on the ear pads. So before we continue, we want to make sure that we perfectly can do this. So we're going to have some dry run before we peel off here the adhesive, the cover for the adhesive tape. So once we feel comfortable that we can do this, then we're going to peel it off, and then we're going to line up the holes with those pins again. And we don't want to firmly press on the ear pad until we really know the pins are lining up with the holes, and at that point we want to really press on the ear pads that the glue will really stick. And at this point we should also avoid trying to take the new ear pad off again, otherwise the glue will not work as well. And then we're just going to repeat the same process on the other ear pad, and that's already it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.